Hi guys, today I'm going to be making these, the little markers for the garden. What? Are these done right? Did I mess this one up? I'm out of white spray paint, so I'm going to paint the fronts black just to get a good primer on there before we do the hand painting. I ran some water over the spray paint can. That helps warm it up. It helps it paint better. Okay guys, strap in, get ready for something exciting. We're gonna watch this paint dry. Alright, I don't think that looks too bad. My plan was to paint them all white, but I ran out of white spray paint. I had black, and I also had some gold. Figure I'd just touch the backs with some gold. That color, these are champagne raspberries. See how I put the stick all the way to the top, so when I hit it with the hammer. Boom! Okay, that was fun, wasn't it? Okay, now I actually got this idea from the Suburban Homestead channel. He makes a much different design, but it's pretty much the same thing. And if you don't want to make your own, he sells them. You can help support his channel by buying some.